Okay, here's my high jump scores again. I'm going to have a go at sorting the data. It's changed slightly now. Now I've got all the children's names, I've got their gender, I've got their date of birth. If you're American, I know I've got the day and the month the wrong way around. That's the way we do things in the UK. They've got their height here, and then they've got their rank and so on like that. So again, there's probably a different or a better way of doing it, but I find this is the easiest way of doing it. All I'm going to do is I'm not going to highlight the top here. I don't want that in the data because they'll actually sort that out. You can probably lock it somehow, and I'll hopefully come back to that later. But for now, let's just highlight all the data we want. So it's all the names and so on like that. So now I'm going to have a go at sorting it in just alphabetical order by name. So I'm going to go to data, and I don't want sort sheet because that'll include everything. I'm going to go to sort range by column A to Z. So it's going to be from A to Z. So now if I click it, it's sorted it in alphabetical order and so on like that. Okay, so that's a useful tool for you or your children, and everything still corresponds the same. Sarah is still in first place on 145 centimeters. Okay, I'll click back, I'll show something else. So maybe I don't want them in alphabetical order. Maybe I want to see the difference between the boys and the girls. So again, I'm going to make sure that I highlight everything. Okay, and then I go to data. It hasn't given me the option of column B, which is what I need for the gender. So I'm going to go to sort range, and then I can select column B like that. Press sort. Oops. See, my mistake I made there, I highlighted that bit. So I'll try that again. So go back. I go to data. I go to sort range. Highlight by column B. And there it is there. So now we've got all the girls and all the boys, and you can have a comparison of the two and so on. Okay. Same thing works for date of birth. So here's all their date of birth: 25th of May 2002, 13th of September 2001, and so on and so on and so on. Maybe you want to see how they get on in relation to the age, youngest at the top, oldest at the bottom, or vice versa. So again, highlight all the data, otherwise it won't sort all of the data. Data, sort range. This time I want column C. It's going to do A to Z. So it's starting at the youngest at the top, all the way down to the eldest at the bottom. If you wanted to go the other way, go data, sort range, flip it. Oops. Why didn't that work? Column C. That's why it didn't work, because I didn't pick column C, I picked column A. So now they're in decreasing age. So the eldest are at the top and the youngest are at the bottom. And that's that.